My name is Chapman Olive. I'm a general surgeon at Cox Health. My medical education started in Baltimore at the Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine. And after finishing medical school, I went to the University of California in San Francisco for my surgery training, which is 5 to 6 years of further training in surgery to become a surgical specialist. I do general surgery, such things as gallbladders, hernias, that sort of thing. I also have quite an interest in vein disease and do a lot of treatments of varicose veins and various problems that people have with veins in their lower extremities. I enjoy most of all contact with the patients, and I think that's the most gratifying thing about being a physician is interaction with the patients and hopefully providing things that make their lives better. I was attracted to surgery because the kind of problems that patients had that led them to go and see a surgeon were typically things that required some kind of intervention. Often these problems are things that are relatively acute in nature and can oftentimes be made better by some intervention by the surgeon, and the outcome is relatively immediate, and this is contrasted to other specialties in medicine where patients tend to have long-term problems of a more chronic nature. So the great appeal to me was that the surgeons could intervene and make patients' lives better by the intervention that they performed. I chose Springfield because it's about 80 miles away from where I grew up in Neosho, Missouri, so I was close to my parents and my siblings, so that was the main reason that I returned to Southwest Missouri. As far as Cox is concerned, I've practiced at Cox for over 30 years. My history here goes back a long time to where doctors were working at both hospitals in Springfield, and when that changed to where we had to be affiliated generally with one hospital, Cox was my choice. I enjoy traveling and doing things outside, such as fishing. I love the outdoors. I think we have a wonderful outdoor environment in this part of Missouri and in northern Arkansas, and I enjoy doing a lot of activities outside.